The Mpow MX1. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Mpow MX1. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user manual and a USB-C charging cable. The MX1 features 5 hours of listening time, 35 hours with the case. It takes 1.5 hours to fully charge. Bluetooth 5.0, 10mm drivers, touch controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX8 waterproof. The case is compact and has a capsule shape to it. Matte finish all around with the branding on the top. On the front you have the charge status LEDs, and on the back you'll find the USB-C charge port. This also has wireless charging, and you can see it activate here on the charger. The earbuds have a semi-in-ear stem design. It has a matte finish all around and similar in size to the Apple AirPods. On the outer face you have the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have microphones, touch control, LED, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls is straightforward, a few taps to get the desired function. The case comes in at 2.7 by 1.6 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 40 grams and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Never understand the things that we want, but you keep coming back. I want love you don't know, so why are you here? Yeah, I should take it back so that you don't know where my heart is at.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Mpow MX1 microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. I found the microphone quality to be great. It came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and you can wear the earbuds individually left or right side. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the MX1. You can definitely wear these for extended periods of time since they are a semi-in-ear design. They don't add pressure in your ear canals. One downside is that it doesn't feel as secure and can fall off easily. I wish there was some type of ear fin to add additional support. It basically has a fit of an Apple AirPods. Build and quality is decent. The case is compact and solid. Earbuds have a simple look and feels durable. Touch controls responded well and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is respectable, coming in at 5 hours and 35 total with the case. I like the wireless charging and the IPX rating, so this should have no issues protecting you from the elements. Now when it comes to sound, the bass is present, but it's not the heavy hitting bass. It's sufficient for its semi-in-ear design. These excel more on the mids and highs and come in a bit forward. There's good clarity with vocals and instruments, and as mentioned earlier, the microphone quality was excellent. So overall, I feel the earbuds do excel on the microphone and produce decent sounds. This is another option for those seeking out a semi-in-ear design. So that is my review of the Mpow MX1 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.